Hello, it's Bonnie and Rufus again. We're on our way back to South Carolina from Texas. This time we're stopping off at the Birmingham South RV Park. It's located fairly close to Birmingham. It's a very nice park, nice level sites. It has quite a few amenities. Here's the approach as you drive into the park. You see the headquarters on the left. This is where you stop and check in. If it's in the daytime, you can go in and get your packet. If it's after hours, there's a clipboard out there where you can pick up your packet if you know which campsite you're at. We're going to do a brief run through the park. Most of the sites are very similar. They all have water, electricity, and sewer. As I said before, they're very level, and there's a lot of shade in them, especially in this section over here. This will accommodate most all types of RVs, even the big rigs. Not really a crowded RV park. There's a good amount of space between each RV. Just as a side note, Birmingham South is only about a 25-minute ride from Town and Hill Ironworks, or historical state park, which has a large Civil War era foundry and forge. Very interesting place to go visit. This is the most shaded area here. Looks like we got a little traffic jam here. You go. No, I'll go. No, you go. Go ahead. There's a big rig. Looks like they're headed out. Birmingham South is 55 sites, all pull-throughs with full hookups. Most are about 65 feet long. 38 are paved, 17 are gravel. They're all 50 amps or 30 amps. As you can see here, there's not as much shade, but the sites are real nice. Here is very friendly, and there's a fairly well stocked store where you can buy most anything you need for your RV. There's also a nice laundry here in case you need to wash some clothes. Here we are coming back around to the beginning. Check-in is on the left. Bathrooms here are very clean, lots of room. The showers are right through this door, and there's about 10 of them. Every one is an individual room with a door and curtain and a lock. There's a doggy park with a real fire hydrant. Well, sort of real. A meeting area for large groups, and a playground for the kids. And last but not least, a very large and clean swimming pool. We really enjoyed our stay here. It's a good spot. Thanks for watching.